Yes, ma'am. I mean, a very one of the tall leader, one of the senior most leader, we lost it.
Yes, it's very, very unfortunate. Our former Prime Minister, not just one but two terms, one of the most educated Prime Ministers, President in the world is Shri Manmohan ji. And well, it is a very proud feeling that we as Congress people, that somebody like him was a Prime Minister of the country. A lot of things really revolutionized when he was, it was not just when he was a Prime Minister, but he was also a Finance Minister. And be it liberalization, and the country became an IT. There was a boom in IT, BT, and everything was actually thanks to him. And also, be it the nuclear deal, be it food, be it education, be it each and everything, especially upliftment of poverty of millions of people. And it's a very unfortunate thing that Manmohan Singh sir is no more. And as every Indian and as every Congress person, all of us are in mourning. We just found out late night, last night, yesterday.